Good morning, dear children. Today, let us know that how we are God's children. Just like our parents, God loves us. He is our father and mother. We are His children. Do you know when we become His children? Through baptism, a new relationship was created between God and us. It is like the closest relationship between parents and children. God has accepted us as His own children. He gave us a share of His life of grace. We have received the right to call God Abba Father. St. Paul says about this new relationship. The Spirit that God has given you makes you God's children. And by the Spirit's power, we are cry out to God, Father, my Father. The child Jesus lived in Nazareth with his foster father Joseph and his mother Mary. Like us, he grew up in body and mind. He grew up in knowledge and wisdom too. He set an example by his good behavior. When Jesus was 12 years old, his parents took him to Jerusalem. They participated in the feast of the Passover. After the feast, while they were returning home, Jesus stayed behind in Jerusalem. When his parents found him missing, they started looking for him. After 3 days, they were happy to find him in the temple in Jerusalem. There, he was sitting among the preachers. He was listening to them and asking them questions. All who heard him were amazed at his understanding, knowledge, and wisdom. Mary and Joseph took Jesus and returned to Nazareth, their own town. Joseph was a carpenter and Mary was a housewife. Jesus was obedient to his parents. He loved them. He helped them in their work. He was just in the sight of God and man. When Jesus received baptism, the heavens were opened. God's Spirit came upon him in the form of a dove. From heaven, God the Father spoke, "You are my dear Son. I am pleased with you." In the same way, God was happy at our baptism and addressed the same words to us. The new relationship as children of God will continue forever. Children, what are the ways you can deepen this relationship? Let me tell you. You can deepen the relationship by doing some things. Love God above all things. Trust in God's providence. Seek the will of God and try to live according to His values. Pray to Him as a child speaks to his or her parents. As God loves us, we too must love everyone.